Just go to videos, then click on get paid to download. After that, just start downloading videos and collect your earnings. Just come to this website and then so guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you for other people's videos. So in order to make money with this, you don't need to have a camera, you don't need any special skills or experience because all you need to do is sign up and click on the download button. You don't need to invest any money and it works all over the world, no matter what country you're coming from. And the best thing is that has nothing to do with YouTube. So you don't need any subscribers or whatsoever. It's super easy, but you need to follow all the steps from this video if you want to make it work, because there is a lot of people that know about this platform but they make some common mistakes. That's why they can't make any money. So if you want to make it work, you should stick with me till the end of the video and I will share with you some special bonuses. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm sharing daily making money online ways and strategies, and it will allow you to be the first one and make the most money out of it. And also, new giveaways are coming in the future. And to make it easier for you to make money, as always, I'm going to explain step by step how you can do it. I'm going to share with you where to go, what to click, and what to do, and actually to make money with these strategies. So you just can watch this video, follow along with me, follow the steps until the end of the video, and after it ends, you will be ready to start making money by downloading different videos. So the first thing you want to do, the first step is to come over to the website that is called plrminds.com. plrminds.com. The website stands for private label, right? And you will see exactly how downloading these videos will make you money. And no, I'm not gonna tell you to sell them or whatsoever. The strategy has nothing to do with selling, nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and anything like that. It is super easy and literally anyone can do this. The second step, once you come over plrminds.com, is to scroll on a little bit and you want to click on this join now button. Click on that green button and they will take you over the registration page where you will need to sign up for absolutely free to this website. So they do have a gold membership, but you don't need that. You just need a free one. Click on the free right here. Scroll down a little bit and then your third step will be to sign up to this platform for absolutely free by entering your first name, entering your last name, entering your email address, and retyping the same email address. Or you can just copy and paste here and just click on I am not a robot and click send verification email and just open up your email news and you will see an email from plrminds.com. You just click on this link right here to activate your account. Click on that and they will take you over this page where you can finish your registration. So you will only need to create a username, something unique for your account. I will, for instance, say Classy Entrepreneurs, then create a password, click on I'm not a robot once again, and just click register. After you do that, I want you to hover your mouse here where it says freebies. Click on that freebies. That's going to show you that you can download like hundreds of different products, digital products from this website, and you can do whatever you want with them because private label rights give you a license to resell those products. It gives you full rights to change them, give them out for free, or do whatever you want with them, and that's really nice. So you can download lots of different ebooks and lots of different products and software from this website for absolutely free. Plus, you will get a license to do whatever you want with those products. So yes, that's a really cool thing. If you need some free ebooks, if you want to learn something, if you want some free software, want some free graphics, just come over here and grab it for absolutely free. This is not the point. We are here to make money by downloading videos, and that's exactly what we will do. So the next step is just to scroll down a little bit and you want to find this free video section right here. I want you to click where it says access it. Click here, and before we continue, just make sure to follow all the previous steps. So if you haven't, go back and follow and finish all the steps, complete all the steps that I've shown you. Otherwise, you will get confused and lost, and this will not work for you. Just follow all the steps until the end of the video and you will actually be able to make some money. Anyways, you can see these are all the videos that we can download for absolutely free from this website. And when we download them, we actually get a free license to resell them or give them away for absolutely free on other websites. And there is one more platform which I want to share with you that will actually pay you for downloading these videos from this website. So let's, for example, download this video training. This is probably some like make money online training, so I'm going to click get it now right here. That will take me over to the next page where I can read more about the video that I'm downloading. But if I don't want to read, I can just scroll down a little bit, and here you can see video results affiliate explosion. That's how the video is called, and I can click the download button right here, and that will immediately download the video to my computer. It's going to actually download the zip file that contains the video with the license. And now I just want you to come over to this website. It will pay you for those videos, and as you can see, these are all real people, real time making real money on this website and being paid for uploading different videos. So this platform will actually pay you for those videos that you download. As you can see, there are like over 60,000 pages of different people making money from this website. There's definitely a lot of money to be made here. Now, website name is fileupload.com. So I want you to come over to fileupload.com. That's your next step. And as you can see, this free cloud storage for your data. So not only can you store your data for absolutely free on this website, but it will also pay you for uploading files on their platform, because once someone downloads your file, they will be shown some ads. And now fileupload.com splitting the ad revenue with you. This is how it works actually, and it is a win-win situation. Fileupload.com, and you're making money, in case you're wondering, but it is not really important. What you want to do is to click on here where it says start uploading files, and click on this icon right here to open up a folder. Then find a video which you previously downloaded from that website, from that first website that we've talked about. Double click on the video so you can upload it. Then you can write a brief description if you want to, and just click start upload, and I will start uploading the video to this website. Now, while this is uploading, let me show you something. If I click on this button right here, make money right here, that's gonna show me the way we can get paid up to $7 to $1,000 of our fill, so we can upload a video for absolutely free. And since it's a useful video, it's an actual training from this website, a lot of people will be interested in downloading it, and they can download it for absolutely free. But we are going to get paid, so as you can see, this is our download link. Whenever someone uses this link to download this video, we will get paid, because fileupload.com is splitting the ad revenue within us. Now, if you come over to their homepage, you're going to be able to see that they accept different payment options, so you can withdraw your money either via Bitcoin or PayPal. I know those two are your favorite ones. I know that a lot of people love PayPal, Bitcoin, but in case you don't want to use PayPal or Bitcoin, you have Visa, Perfect Money, and Litecoin. So there is no shortage of way to grab and withdraw your money from this platform. And that's exactly all these people have been making money over and over again. As you can see, some of them are making over $100 a day with this platform. If you want to maximize your results and earn even more money, what I recommend you to do is grab your download link for that video and go over the different platforms and share it with different people so they can download it as well. Maybe you can share it with your friends and family, tell them that they can download it for absolutely free, and it will benefit you a lot. Then you can also share it on different Facebook groups, on Instagram, Twitter, maybe on YouTube even, and some YouTube comments. Just share with a bunch of people. It will actually provide value, because videos that you download from plrminds.com are actually valuable training that people can benefit from, so why not? It's absolutely free for them, it's absolutely free for you. It is a win-win situation. You can definitely make quite a bit money with this website called fileupload.com. So guys, I hope that you get some value from this video. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Have a nice day.